Hi guys, this is Brandie with the Mathison-Klein Group at Keller Williams Realty, and today we're going to be going over our first quarter market update for 2019. So when we look at the first quarter of 2019 and compare it to this time last year in 2018, the really cool thing is that we are almost identical in our market as we were this time last year. So that's a really good sign for you guys. What does that mean as far as the actual numbers are concerned? So currently right now, our average sale to list price is running 96% compared to last year, which was at 97%. And our average days on market right now is running an average of 66 days on the market compared to last year, which was an average of 64 days on the market. And our number of months supply of inventory, what that basically means is how many homes are on the market and how long it would take before those homes sold, before there was no more homes available. For the overall market right now, there's a 3.1 month supply of inventory, and it's neck and neck compared to what it was last year. When we then take those numbers and we break it down into a more dynamic basis, really what that means is homes that are 100,000 to 250,000, we are definitely still in what's considered a seller's market. So that means that there's not a lot of inventory that's available and there's a high amount of buyers that are in demand for those homes that are on the market. Once we hit the 250,000 mark up to the 350,000 mark, then we're moving into what's called the transitional market. And right now we're looking at about a 4 to 5 month supply of inventory for those homes. Now, if you're in the market in the 350 range up to the $500,000 range, then you are definitely going to be in what's considered a buyer's market now. And that means that there's over a 6 month supply of inventory or more. And what that means from a buyer standpoint is that you have a lot more negotiation room whenever you're putting in an offer. And if you're a seller, that means that you need to be willing to be a little bit more negotiable on your price whenever you are selling your home. So overall, our market is very, very strong right now. We are anticipating to have a strong market through the end of the year. We are anticipating a slight decrease in the appreciation of homes. So as of last year, we saw a 6 to 7% increase in appreciation. This year, we're anticipating about a 4% increase. Interest rates are absolutely phenomenal right now. They're still in the mid 4s. So if you are ever on the fence right now about buying or selling, right now is absolutely a fantastic time. The market is hot right now, and it is an amazing time to buy or sell. If you have any other questions about real estate, we'd love to be able to help you. Thank you so much for your time. This is Brandie with the Mathison-Klein Group, and don't forget, check out our website at brandiesells.com.